Hi everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fissner from the ex.ScreenProtector and the Inte.Team. Guys, free laptops from one customer. Customer came in the UK many years ago, I think 15 or 17 years ago, and they had one laptop, then they had second laptop, and then they had third laptop, and died. No backup of the data, so we need to check if we can access the data here. Yes, so I want to make a recording so that we can do it together. You can see how I'm doing it. So I've opened the first laptop. This is the newest one with Lenovo with Windows 8. That's 8 GB of RAM and 1 TB hard drive, and that's the only laptop which customer would like to leave working because the specification is not that bad. Yes, so I will check the CPU. If it's not too old, I can then see if it's worth for the customer to keep it or maybe just neglect it and get the next one or new one, because if customer has to use some old stuff and that won't then that won't be working the way customer wanted, I might lose my 5 stars. So yeah, I don't want to risk it. So we can, for now, we can just put it aside. It's okay. And let's plug it in. Who wrote to me again? Nobody. Some client maybe. I just dealt with all the queries about all the jobs I have here to the level that I can start work, and it's 11:27. So happy days. Okay, let me check if I can share screen capture. This one. Guys, I thought I'll know. Okay, this is all okay. You can see this. You can see this. That's fine. But can you do file open? Yes, you can see. Okay, so we've got a Windows 8 OS, Lenovo, and this. Any other pen drive? No, no other pen drive plugged in. So we can see the data. Yes, double click, EFI boot, one key, system volume, Lenovo, applications, drivers, and Windows 8 OS. And here there are several places which you could look. Yes, depend on the version of the Windows, documents and settings will matter, and as well it's a users. Yes, and there is a number of users. Yes, because I don't know what's there, I don't want to risk it. So guys, I'll check myself first. Okay, it's fine, it's fine. So yeah, there are documents, files, and so on. Let's check only how much data we'll have. We don't need all of them, but let's say application data, we don't know what those. Well, okay, let's try all. We don't need those, and we don't need more than those, but template start menu. Yeah, let's check how many gigabytes. Okay, 130, 300. Let's wait if it will go to gigabytes. It should go to gigabytes, but okay, still slowly but steadily. So you see, it's reading off all the files. So free space is 685 out of 890. Yes, so that's what we have. So there should be gigabytes of the data. Okay, 3 gig. Okay, you know what? At least it's reading, and at least it's going. So that's a good thing. Okay, 3.6 5.6, it's a really slow hard drive. But we've got them, and we see there is a 685 gig of the space. Oh, now you can see 685 gig of space, and you see it as well here on this one, 685. With Linux is a good thing. Look, you can do bigger, smaller, see, and really small, whatever you like, whatever float your boat, yeah. 6. But I think I'm wasting my time, to be true, because I've got access to this, so I can leave it for now. We can disconnect this hard drive because it's easy accessible, so I could use this one to copy all the data from other drives. So let me switch to the webcam. So we know that this one is the 1 terabyte from the newest laptop. I can put it aside. And now let's get those two. Now this is mostly hateful. I don't like these DV6 or 6000 series from HP. Just I want to vomit when I'm looking at them. It was so bad with those GeForce graphics. Oh. Okay, that's done. I need to use the battery out. Yeah, exactly. Oh, actually, it doesn't matter. All we need is this hard drive. That's all we need. Plug that in to this. Okay, happy days. How many gig? 501 tera? 320 gig. Okay, so it wasn't upgraded. That's the original hard drive, because they had usually up to 500 gig. Okay, that's the second from the second customer. So you can go to here. And we can switch on the video capture. So again, look, 280, double click, mounted. As well, the same story, yes, users, games temp, users game. Okay, again, I will move, I just don't want to take any chances. Okay, we've got nothing here, so I can show you. Got the desktop documents, everything, yes. Can as well try to read the data. Goes as well, no problem. Okay, I'll leave it for a second. If there will be no issue with reading. Here is 102, 3 out of 284, which is over 100 gig of data on this. So it should be, you know, it should be some, how you call it, some space. Well, it's enough, because we've got a lot of space on the second hard drive, so we can easily put this onto that one. That's what I'm thinking, so that wouldn't be a problem. So yeah, 1.2, let it go. Now we can take it out, and the last one, yes. See, so those adapters are really brilliant. Those adapters are really brilliant. So just, no, it's not getting hot, so it's fine. So you get a second hard drive, and the last one, which is the oldest. This may still have the old interface for the hard drive, unfortunately this one is unable to open quickly because this is a memory and this is the battery. So yeah, we can't do it really quickly. Oh, it's stuck. Yes, it's stuck. Because it's on the lock. Now it's not on the lock. See, that's the battery. So because this one is a battery, we need to open it all, and that will be some time consuming. So I need to speak to the customer first, check the newest laptop, check that one, and if customer will agree, I will be doing live. Well, today is 23rd, so the live on the 23rd at 7 p.m. I could do this one, open it and try to read data from, and I've got one liquid damage one as well. So ThinkPad, Lenovo ThinkPad. So this and this, these two could be done on live, but this, you see how it's easy to access the data with just the external enclosure, because that's the element from the external enclosure. So yeah, if you've got them, I've got this, and I've got as well with a power supply, and can serve SATA controller interface and as well IDE old ATA. So yeah, that one is brilliant. Plus has a small laptop connector, which probably that one might have. If it don't have SATA yet, I do believe that it's on the edge. It could have either this or that. So yeah, I've got that adapter as well. So if you deal with those devices, it's better to have these, because then you won't be able to do it. And I'm dealing with them always several per month, so yeah, it's good to have. But anyways, guys, that's it in this video. It's only 12 minutes, but you see how it's easy to transfer the data from old laptop by removing only the hard drive. And then if it's a really old laptop, you need to open it this way, or if it's a really new laptop, it's easier to open it, and you've got tutorials online how to open it, and then you can take it apart. Here is like really old technology. This Toshiba this is about 15 years old for Windows XP, so yeah, that's a bit challenging. Yes, and that's nowhere modern. But anyways, that's it in this video. Hopefully you got some value out of it. As always, if possible, please do like or subscribe. If you did like, here's likes to you. Thank you for that. See you in the next video, and if possible, let's fix them all. Take care. Bye bye.